have the Motion Boom Plus, and the Boost Upgraded, all by Soundcore. Today, I've got my blindfold ready because we'll be putting all 3 speakers to the test. Hey tech lovers, my name is Alyssa Brigato, and today I'm going to be doing a live sound test to test out the top 3 most popular Bluetooth speakers by Soundcore. There are a bunch of different speakers on their website that they do, and they all target different people, different listeners, but I decided to go with the top 3 most popular ones to help you decide which one is the best speaker for your listening needs. So here is how the test is going to work. I'm going to be blindfolded, so I'm not going off visuals, just sound alone, and that way we can keep the test fair. My brother behind the camera will be switching between all 3 speakers and playing different tracks. And then I will be giving my honest opinion on which one I prefer. So out of the 3, I would say my favorite is number 1. I don't know why, but it just made me want to dance, and the bass was really there, and it was just so, I don't know how to explain, but it was just really amazing, the quality as well. The second one felt a little bit boxed in, but the quality was still there, but I don't think it was just as strong as the other 2, because I think the third one was really clear and really opened, and there was still a little bit bass going on, but number 1 definitely takes the win on this one. The bass was insane for me. hard round because all three sounded really good, but I'm gonna have to go with number one just because I felt it was so much clearer and crispier, and I don't know if this will make sense, but it just felt open, like the sound was like all over the room. So number one is definitely the winner here for me. I love it so much.
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears. I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa.
So I'm really in between number one and three, just because I think those two speakers really made the vocals pop. But I think I might be leaning more towards number three, I think. Just because even though the number one made it pop, I think the three just has a little bit more better sound quality. Two was great, don't get me wrong. I did think it was really like out there, really crisp and clear. But I definitely think the other two did a better job at making the vocals really shine through. So now I'm really excited. I'm going to take my blindfold off and see which one is the winner. No way, I wasn't expecting that. What? I actually thought I would have chosen the big one. So this is actually really surprising. But not surprising at the same time because, I don't know, my brain is going all over the place. But wow. So you guys, it's not all about appearance and size. It really just depends though on what type of listener you are. Overall, I think all three speakers are amazing. It really just depends the type of listener you are and what you're looking for in your speaker. Keep it simple for you guys. If you want something that's portable but with great sound quality, then the Boost Upgraded is the one you should be going for. If you like the vocals and want something crispier, then the Motion Plus is the one you need. However, if you love a lot of bass, then this one right here is the one you should be going for, the Motion Boom. So that's the video, guys. I will be leaving the link to all three speakers in the description down below so you can check it out. Please like and subscribe, turn the notification bell so you know when I next post, and please comment down below what video recommendations you would like, what you'd like to see on the channel next, and I will definitely try and deliver. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Mwah!